Showed just one more demonstration. When you're on a mode, you then press and hold the power button and to change the brightness, and then once it's at the lowest or whatever setting, then you let go and then you press and hold again for it to go back up. Absolutely love these. They are stunning. Just beautiful. The sleek and style, they get a 5-star rating from me. Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we are reviewing these motion lights. So let's get showing you what you get. So right away in the box, oh wow. So right away we see that you get 3M tape with a bracket. And it looks like it's magnetized, so it sticks. Wow, look how sleek these are. Absolutely stunning. Let's go ahead and peel this back here. Wow, look at that. They are really sleek. So there's the motion sensor. Over here is how you charge it. And here looks like the power. So let's see if we press it. Wow, these are nice. Really nice. So give some tips right here. So let's go over some things here. So mode 1, constant lighting mode. Mode 2, green indicator flashes 6 times. That's night mode. Mode 3, green indicator light for 3 seconds. That's day mode. Long press the button to adjust the brightness. Okay, so we press it. This is mode number 1, so long press the button to adjust the brightness. That's mode 2. And this is mode 3. And off. So this is just on. This is night mode, so I assume, yes, it would pick up the motion and come on, and then it would automatically go off when the motion is not around. And you have mode number 3 as well. And then off. So again, mode number 2 is night mode, and mode number 3 is day mode. Wow, these are really nice. So as you can see, the brackets are magnetized, so all you do is you place them wherever you want and then line it up like that. So what I do is have the magnets on a while, probably like that. Take the 3M tape off. Make sure you do it for both sides first. And then you just simply stick them on wherever you want them to be. So finding the magnet is going to be the key. So it's like